Hello everyone, my name is Faden Chen. You can also call me Daniel. Today I'm going to talk a little about Zoom, a meeting application. Basically, Zoom is a very powerful meeting application, and it runs on many platforms, including Windows, Mac, and even on iPhone. And for each platform, Zoom can perfectly show its functions. For example, on Mac, you can simply open your Zoom by click your launchpad and find your Zoom. Since I have already created my account and log in, as you can see, it shows my account detail. And for the Zoom, basically it has 4 big sections: the home, meeting, contacts, and the chat. In the home section, you can find there are some buttons here. You can start your meeting with video, or you can start without a video. Which means, if you start with a video, your camera will put your image, put your things on the meeting, which everyone can see. For example, I just simply click start with a video. As you can see on this as you can see on the Zoom, you can see the camera, and you can even, since I'm the only participant in this meeting Zoom, if you want to invite more people, you can simply click invite. You can choose your contact by entering their account, or you can choose enter their email. Let's stop here. You can also start without video, which means all the participants in the meeting Zoom will use their audio or their typing to communicate. You can join video, audio, or you can just chat here. Chat, you can send your message to everyone, or you can send a message personally to the person you want. Since I'm the only one in the meeting Zoom, so I cannot choose others. And when you leave the meeting, if you are the owner of your meeting room, you can choose End Meeting for All, which means all participants in the meeting will leave this meeting. Or you can leave meeting by all, and the other participant will stay on the meeting. You can also schedule a meeting in a certain date you want, or you can just share your screen. And for the next section, you can easily find your ID here. And this ID is mainly for people who want to, for example, when you want to create a meeting, and you just send your meeting ID to the other attendants. For example, if I start meeting, and any other people who want to attend the meeting, they can simply input this ID and join my meeting. And for each meeting, as I mentioned before, you can do the chat here. You can join video. You can even share your screen. Let me just demonstrate the screen sharing. For example, you can share your desktop. So it's like basically we are into the desktop sharing. You can even record it if you want. So everything happened on this sharing screen, and every word you said, every word you type will be all recorded. You can pause the screen, stop sharing, and you will come back to the previous interface. By clicking End Meetings, you can end this meeting. And for the context here, I haven't added any context in this software, because people just simply join my meeting when I was doing the Navitas program meeting by inputting the ID. But if you have a kind of relatively stable call workers to attend the meeting, you can add them as your favorites, which means once you add them as your favorite, every time you create your meeting, you can simply add them from your contact or from your favorites in this label. And for the chat is more like it's not part of the meeting. It's more like inner communication within the software. As I mentioned before, if you have a contact, you can send them a chat. You can build a chat with them. For example, since I don't have, if you have, you can simply input their name here. For example, if they are Daniel, and you can type your message, or you can attach your file or your image, even screenshot, or you can build a group chat. It's more like the social media website, which is very familiar to you guys. So basically, there are 4 functions of the Zoom, and the biggest impression of Zoom leave to me is that its quality of audio. I will have used other applications to conduct my meeting, such as WeChat voice call. Voice call can allow a lot of people to join the same room to have a meeting, but the quality of voice is just terrible. People can hardly hear what others said, but in Zoom, this can be assured, which means every word you said can be definitely heard by others. And another good feature of Zoom is its very friendly UI, which is user interface. The first time you look at this interface, you can easily understand how to start a meeting without watching the introduction. So basically, it's how Zoom works and how Zoom helped me to build my meeting. Thank you.